Good morning, sunshine. I grab my backpack, zip it tight, shoes on, hair brushed just right. I hear a sound from down the street. Beep, 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 beep. It's my big yellow school bus. Beep, beep, here we go. Rolling fast, rolling slow. Wheels spin round and round. Happiest ride in town. The bus doors open with a whoosh, and the driver smiles and says, "Good morning." I climb the steps 1, 2, 3, and wave to Mom, who waves at me. I find my seat beside my friend. Our giggles just don't seem to end. We buckle up and sit up tall, ready for the ride with all. Bumpy road, wiggle waggle, tiny giggle, happy chatter. The bus goes left, the bus goes right, through the morning golden light. We pass tall trees and little shops, red stop signs, and lollipop stops. At every corner, someone new climbs aboard with hi and woo. We scoot and slide to make some space. Big bright smiles on every face. Up the hill and down we glide. The school bus is our magic ride. The driver watches every lane. Through sunshine bright and pouring rain. Safety first, we sit just right. Hands to ourselves, voices light. We sing soft songs and count to 10. Then start counting all again. 1 red car and 2 blue vans. 3 big trucks with noisy fans. Sometimes we play I spy something. Yellow, yes, the bus, we already knew. And everybody laughs mellow when we cross the little bridge. We look at ducks along the ridge. Splash, splash in the shiny stream, like something from a story dream. Clap, clap, tap your shoe. School bus friends are me and you. If someone feels a little shy, we wave and say, "Come sit nearby." No one rides alone today. Friendship rides the bus this way. Then I see my school ahead. Big brick walls painted red. The bus slows down. The brakes go and everyone gives a tiny SHHH. We stand in line, no rush, no race. Backpack snug and tied in place. Have a great day, the driver cheers. We shout, "See you," with happy cheers. Beep, beep, the day's begun. School time means learning fun. Morning ride was bright and sweet. Now it's time to take our seat. And when the school day ends at last, we line up quick but not too fast. The bus comes back, bright as can be, ready to take my friends and me. As the sun turns orange and low, homeward on our bus we go, talking about art and math and play, sharing stories from our day. The bus isn't just big and wide, it's where laughter loves to ride. It carries dreams and happy chatter. Kindness is what really matters. Beep, beep, home we glide. Joy is on our school bus ride. Round and round the wheels all day, taking happy hearts our way. So, every morning when I hear that happy honk coming near, I smile big and shout, "Hooray!" The school bus starts my day. Please like and subscribe, dime, dime, dime.